Welcome to Chapter 9, Draw Filters. In this chapter, you'll learn what draw filters are, when to use them, and how to implement them. This chapter contains 3 labs: removing the focus rectangle, replacing images, and formatting text. A draw filter is one of the extensibility mechanisms that you gain from the PLF that is used to customize the rendering of an element when an additional presentation requirement is not exposed off of the appearance object. To use a draw filter, you must implement the IUI-element draw filter interface. The interface exposes 2 methods: get faces to filter and draw element, which you must provide the implementation details for. In the get faces to filter method, you are required to return a draw phase. The phase or phases that you return will be the phase of the drawing operation that will be filtered. As you can see, there are many before and after draw phases for elements, themes, back color, images, foreground, child elements, and focus to filter. And this brings us to our labs: removing the focus rectangle, replacing images, and formatting text. Welcome to the PLF Draw Filters Removing the Focus Rectangle lab for the Developing Applications with NetAdvantage for Windows Forms Controls training class. In this lab, we'll create a basic draw filter to remove the focus rectangle from an Ultra Explorer bar control. To get started, let's create a new project in Visual Studio by opening the File menu, selecting New, and then clicking on Project. Choose either C# or Visual Basic, and make sure the Windows application template is selected. Name the project PLF Draw Filters.FocusRect. Once the project is created, drag an Ultra Explorer bar onto Form 1, then right-click on Ultra Explorer bar 1 and select Add Group. In the Get Phases to Filter method, we're going to return the Before Draw Image phase only if the element is a Caption Button Image UI element. Otherwise, we're going to return the None Draw phase. The Before Draw Image phase applies to every image in the control we apply the draw filter to, so we need to verify the element is the Caption Button Image UI element before committing to handling the Before Draw Image phase. In the Draw Element method, the first thing we need to do is verify that we are on the correct Caption Button Image UI element. In order to do this, we retrieve the parent element, which according to the UI element viewer should be a Pane Caption Button UI element. We'll then add a conditional statement, which verifies it is in fact a Pane Caption Button UI element, and then also verifies that its button type is a pin button. If the parent element does not meet these requirements, we're going to return false, as this is not the Caption Button Image UI element we're looking for. Inside the conditional statement, we'll add code to first retrieve the dockable control pane object that is the ancestor of